How to change Snapchat phone number without logging in. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your Snapchat phone number without logging in. Now, if you open up the Snapchat app and here try to log into your account, it will ask you for username or email and password. However, if you don't have the number and you're having problem with your number, now you don't particularly need phone number to log into your account. You can always use your email account or your username. There is no way that you can change your phone number without logging in. However, if you are having problems logging in, what you can do is tap on the forgot password option here down below, and then you can always choose to reset your password via email. You can always choose your phone number if you have access, but if you are not having access to your number anymore, you can choose email and it will help fix the issue. However, if you don't have access to your both email and phone number, what you can do is head over to your browser first and then head into Snapchat support, and there you can try and submit a request to Snapchat, get access to your account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.